How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. First, let's go back to your home screen and open up the Google Photos app. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top, then tap on Backup. In here, you want to switch off Backup so that it does not sync with your Google Photos. Now tap on the home button to go back. Next, we open up the web browser and you want to log into your photos.google.com. I have already logged into Google Photos. Now in here, browse through the photos that you want to delete. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select this one. Tap on the More button, then tap on Select Photos. You can select one or multiple photos to remove. And then tap on the Delete button. So we'll delete 2 photos. Then tap on Move to Trash. Next, tap on the More button. Then we go down and tap on Trash. Here, we empty the trash. And then tap on the Home button and go back to Photos. Here, you can see when I have deleted the photos from the Google Photos library, on my phone, it still shows the photos. So what happened if we turn backup? So here we go in and tap on Backup. And if we turn it back on, so what will happen? Now what will happen is it will try to hide the photos or move the photos to another place. Well, if we give it enough time, it will hide these 2 particular pictures. Now at some point, it will try to move the 2 photos out of the way so that your photos in your app will sync and reflect what is showing in your web browser. When that happens, what you can do is tap on the profile icon and go down here, and it will ask you to review the photos and if you wanted to remove those photos from your phone as well or not. So that's what happened when you turn syncing back on or turn backup back on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.